Everyone, I'm glad you are here today. In today's video, we will be looking at Microsoft Copilot pro tips in order to, level up your productivity skills. Let's get started. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered productivity tool. It can also be used as a chat assistant and it can do a whole lot of things. Now, in order to get access to Microsoft Copilot, if you're using Microsoft Edge, Copilot comes automatically with it. So if you open Edge, you can see that on the search button here, you can see Copilot. So you just click on it and it will open Copilot for you. But if you are using a different browser like Google Chrome, you'd have to type Copilot in your web browser and then you get to use Copilot. If you are a new user, you have to sign up and then start using Copilot. Let's proceed to look at some of the features of Copilot. Now, when you open Copilot, the first thing you see is this interface, this nice interface that I'm viewing right now. And on this side, you get to see the Microsoft logo and you have Copilot, you have notebook. With this notebook, you can write detailed prompt to Copilot and it will generate detailed responses for you. And on this stretch here, you can get the app, the Microsoft Copilot app as well. And if you're a user, as I said, you have to sign up if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can go ahead and log in. And then on this hamburger menu here, we have appearance settings. You can dive more into settings. You can change the language, country, location, voice, chat, and more. Take your time and play with some of these things. Okay, it will help you. Now, when you come to appearance, you can change it to light and you can change it to, dark mode, the one I like. And then you can also use the system default. Well, it's not different from the dark mode. So I'm just going to, proceed with that mode. One thing about Copilot is that there are plugins that you can use over here. So I've enabled the search plugin. There's this one called Instacart whereby you can ask recipes, meal plans, and other things, everything ingredient. And there is search flight. This is for flight and rental cars. And this is for search and compare prices. Yes. And this one is for restaurant recommendations. So in case you want to enable this, you just enable this and then you can write provide. You can issue your prompt by saying provide restaurant recommendations, a direct link, maybe a direct link in your locality. So I'll leave it with a direct link. Then you issue your prompt like this. It's going to give you some recommendations and you can use that to do what you want to do. You can also search for millions of products from the world by just enabling this plugin and you are good to go. You can issue any command with regards to this. You can also try Copilot Pro, but we will explore that later. Now, one thing that is very interesting here is that you see this sliders. This sliders is an easy way to issue your prompts, because in case you want something like this, give me tips for balancing work, family, and personal time effectively. All you have to do is just click on this and it's going to generate the responses for you. Each prompt is limited to 30 responses and it also provides resources, like just look at this ones here. Resources to fact check the responses that it has provided. So in case you are unsure or not sure about the responses that you are getting, you can use these resources to make sure that okay, what you are getting is really what you want or it's the correct thing. In case you want to issue a new prompt, you just use this new topic and then you come back to some of the prompts that we have, then you can just try them out. I'll leave some few prompts in the description so you can just check them out. Okay, another interesting thing about Copilot is that it helps you issue prompts with your voice, so you can use the mic. Compose an electric song about camping. In case you want to add an image, you just click on the add an image, then you upload any image from your device, then you can add the prompt and it will generate the responses for you. Some of the benefits that comes with the Pro feature is that you get access to Microsoft 365 for free. You also get access to ChatGPT 4 for free, and then you get access to creating quality images. Do well to check out my next video. It's about how to get Microsoft 365 apps for free. Yes. So I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.